Hello friends, welcome to this video for the laundry bags. And as you can see, this is very compact uh, packing for this laundry bag, and there are two sets of laundry bag that comes with it. The quality, the first impression is really good, as this is first a cloth with a waterproof clothes, and the stitching you can see is very nice, and the print and the color, the size is really good. As you can see, it's really big laundry bags, and all the stitching and the corners are well done, so no issues with the string that you can use to close the laundry bags. You can put in the stuff and just close it on the side with the string, so that you can easily carry them. So material is easy to clean, maintain, and is easy to hold and take anywhere you want. You can store your clothes, you can store soft toys. Like for me, I can also store the soft toys for kids or any other things that you can easily put inside it. So the two bags, the color is really bright and nice. So both have the same design, Wash Me, and the both are of the same quality with the stitchings and the corners. Same string style, and nice in the hold. So I just put some clothes in it just to show you how this can, and there is a lot clothes and still the half is full, so it's a really good nice size. So you can see it like after filling in the clothes.